Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on slides. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on start presenting. After clicking on this, you be able to choose over these plans, the light plan, the pro plan and the team plan, but right now we're gonna use the free plan for the sake of this video. And now, so here we can enter with our username, email and password, but for me it will be easier to just sign up with Google. You can also sign up with Facebook, but I'll just sign up with Google. Now just drag the circle into the place to verify that you're human, and in the end just accept the terms of service and privacy policy. So here, after you select Google, you select your account. If there's only one account, you'll be automatically signed to it, and just after that click on continue. So here we have to choose a template for our first presentation. Let's select Eclipse. Now we just wait a second, and now we can do a tutorial. Let us see all the things, and now we can select our first slide. So in my opinion, the first slide is most appropriate to be this one because it symbols the eclipse. And yeah, so here guys, you can edit the text, like you can just let the title be YouTube video idea brainstorm. After that, an idea by a indie YouTuber. And here net tech, and here, so we did our we did the presenting slide. So here, YouTube video idea brainstorm, an idea by an indie YouTuber, and net tech. We can also add a shape right here, like if you don't like the circle to be like this, you can just like do it like this. You can even make a smiley face, not so smiley face, and yeah, you can basically edit everything. You can also insert a picture, you can upload a picture, you can add a tag, you can search on Splash and Giphy, like here, like AOL. Let's look at AOL, and like if you need this, you can just add it. You can resize. Here you can resize, and after that just put it somewhere where you want it to be. You can also ask AI to like brainstorm ideas for YouTube videos on tech topic. And here we can select the slide content and the presentation length, but right now we're gonna create 6 slides. And here are the brainstorm ideas for YouTube videos, tech topics, and now there are they. So here's our first slide, the second slide, brainstorm ideas for YouTube videos, and the light bulbs that symbolize an idea. And now YouTube ideas on tech topic. Here we can see tech topic, product reviews, tutorials, top 10 lists. product reviews, tutorials, and yeah, I guess that was it for this. Okay, we can I guess we can remove some of them, like remove this one, remove this one. What was the shortcut? Control and this. So we can add manually a slide. Here's the slide templates. Like there's this one, like whatever you want, guys. You can also create a slide, just a blank slide, and then customize it however you like it. You can just here animate it, the slide background, speaker noise. You can just add whatever you want, lines, shape, pen. You can draw on here, like here's a guy, a not so happy guy, and a happy guy. And they are friends, yeah. But we don't need these things. We can add a frame. We can change the size, the border, like you can do whatever you want. The width, you can make it like 50. It's 50. We can the radius can be 90. You can just do whatever you want. You can make a rotation like 75 degrees. So here is it. The padding, you can do whatever you want here, guys. Basically, you can arrange slides also. You can also see a revision history on your presentation. Like here a minute ago, we can see a preview of just what we have done, and it's not, in my opinion, this slides site, it's really easy to use, and it also has a vast majority of options to make you to help you make a presentation and overall ease the work for everything. And let me show you the slides pricing right now. Here is it. So you can bill annually to save over 25% of the bill, or you can bill monthly and pay a little bit more. So here there are 3 plans that are paid, and they are the light plan, the pro plan, and the team plan. So the light plan gives us these options, which are not that much, but still will give us the enough things to just continue with our slides journey. And there's also the pro plan, which gives us these perks, which are obviously better than the previous plan. It also gives us the things that the previous plan had, including more perks, and also the team, which includes 2 users. It's like basically the pro version, but for 2 people. And you also can make a custom plan, which may be for organization, for a company, like or just for a team. But you have to contact the sales to arrange the price. And that was the video, guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.